Hello everyone and welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. This channel exists to simplify the complexities of the home studio and to help you make professional sounding music in a less than professional space. Today we have another gear review, and this one is near and dear to my heart. This is over an acoustic guitar. So much like the last guitar review video that we did, I will not be doing a proper unboxing of this one either because, you guessed it, I got too excited and opened up the box again. So you won't get to see me actually taking it out of the cardboard package, but I can show you exactly what comes in the package, and we'll start with the case that it comes in. So much like the previous guitar that we just reviewed, this one does as well come with a soft shell case. This has a nice zippered pouch on the front, as well as some padded shoulder straps back here for, yet again, if you are wanting to play acoustic guitar at the top of Mount Kilimanjaro. Now, as far as accessories that comes with it, you get a set of Trumon strings, a rather nice capo, and you even get a microfiber cleaning cloth. And lastly, it comes with a guitar pick. Now, honestly, the guitar itself feels really good in my arms, and although they are calling this a dreadnought style or full-size guitar, I would definitely categorize this more as a grand auditorium, especially with the cutaway taking a lot of the body out of it. However, it did not take the sound away from it at all. Now, we'll be getting a little bit deeper into sound examples here in just a little bit, but first I want to go over some of the features that I found in this guitar that I was really excited about. This Trumon acoustic guitar is built with the beginner in mind, but doesn't disappoint the experienced player either, with features usually only found on higher-end guitars. Both the nut and the saddle are made of synthetic bone, and the 18:1 ratio tuning keys are built very well. Likewise, an often overlooked feature is the strap buttons, which usually are made of some kind of a cheap material. However, on this guitar, they're built very well and are already installed in my preferred positions. Now, apart from these awesome features, the guitar itself actually sounds really good. The excellent sound that it produces is due to its solid Sitka spruce top and African mahogany back and sides. According to the website, the fretboard is also made of rosewood, and the beautiful mahogany rosette at the sound hole gives it a very subtle beauty that flows well from the soundboard to the neck. Although the guitar itself is categorized as a full-size guitar, the size and the feel to me feels much more like a grand auditorium style and comes in at a manageable 41 inches. The guitar weighs just about 11 pounds, which makes it a great fit for adults and teens alike, and the setup right out of the box was almost perfect, with a low E string coming in at my preferred 3/32 height. I personally love the cutaway design as well, as this gives you a great opportunity to reach those higher frets for some solo work. Now, let's listen to some sound examples and hear this thing in action.
𝗧𝗵𝗲